Hi guys, it's Dakota here, Planner Mom to 5 boys. I'm on Instagram as well. Today we have another haul for you. I finally know what I'm going to be using, the Simply Gilded bag, and I'm going to be putting my hauls in here so when it's time to film I can just pull out everything. So we have a lot to go through, some really exciting items, so hope you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. Like I said, this pouch is from Simply Gilded. It did come in a monthly subscription box. It isn't part of the whole items, but I am now using it to store my stickers so that whenever it is time that I can just open it and pull it out for you guys. So, let's see, I have a bunch, guys, a bunch. Alright, our first shop is LC Stickers, and I'm going to go through some freebies. This little cow die cut is a freebie that you get. Then I ordered some custom scripts and different icons. I ordered the goals, and that is in a hollow foil. I ordered important, and that's also in the hollow foil. Guys, you can customize what word you want and what foil. She has a bunch of different color foils to choose from. I ordered due date, date paid. Now I ordered those in just black because they're going to be going in my budget planner. Cost, total, and I like this all my budget things just to be in black. And then I also ordered these little small icons. They are the pill icons in hollow foil. I'm going to be using these on my trackers. So here's all the scripts I got. A kit, and when you buy a full kit from LC Stickers, you will receive this icon freebie. This is for the dashboard planner, and the next page is the full boxes and some checklist trackers. Oh, that looks better. So you have some trackers, you have some build you have the full box. This page, again, you have some full boxes if you want to change it out. You got some scripts. You get your headers. You get your dates, dots. You get your flags, and you get a big box of tracker. And then here's a bigger box and some washi strips. I also got the checklist add-on, and what I really like about this, you guys, is these are full, let's see if I get that one, goes fully down, and these are cut in half. So if you got some, I'm always cutting my checklist to make smaller checklists, so that's awesome, so I won't have to cut it. I also got the glitter add-on, and I got the boxes. Now this is made for the dashboard happy planner, but I'm gonna actually use it for the daily duo planner, and I will be posting a video of a plan with me, so if you guys would like that, please stay tuned. Now this is everything I got from LC Stickers. Now let's talk about this lovely thing. Guys, I cannot express how soft this is. It's super soft. This is a flat lay from Sparrow Designs Co. I ordered this flat lay because I like having different flat lays to choose from. I can change it out. I have a white one, and now I have this gray one. I cannot express to you guys how soft this is. So check out her page. This is the larger one, and you cannot see the full of it on the screen. So I ordered 2 orders, one with this, and it came with this freebie. I love their little icon cat characters. I believe her name is Callie, and I cannot remember this one's name. So here's one freebie. Here's the other freebie. They're the same, but I ordered 2 orders. This is a PR freebie. If you order, put her name in. There's also different girls freebies that you can put in there. I also got this freebie. And I got another one. This says, "Hi there, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I appreciate your patience during this crazy time. I'm so glad your goodies found their way to you. Enjoy this little extra freebie." So that's really nice that she's including this, because shipping times, as you guys well know, are taking longer. So then I ordered Darth Vader, Juju. Juju is the white cat and Callie is the black cat. There you go. So Juju is dressed up as Darth Vader. We did adopt a kitten, and he is blind in one eye, and he sounds horrible. He is fine, you guys. We've taken him to the vet, but we joke around and call him Darth Vader. So when I seen those, I just knew I had to pick him up. I also ordered these budgeting flat lays. It has an N Thorn planner, which is the planner I use, and will be linked down below. It also has like a cash envelope, a credit card, like a little bank statement, some money. So I thought those were really neat. And guys, any of the shops I mentioned below will be linked in the description, as long with any discount codes I have. So then here is the postcard that came with it, or journaling card. It says, "Yay, your happy mail is here." I absolutely love these. And then guys, they make great mini happy planner covers. Then I got this kit. She does her own custom art. So all this she actually drew. So Callie is the black kitten. So it just says, "In a galaxy, paw away, there were cats that decided they needed to dress up in a very special way. May the paws be with you." So I just love this, you guys. I love this. When she released this, I knew I was going to get it. So here's the full boxes. Here's your date covers. You also got some flags of payday. You got little baby Yoda. Next page is some washi strips, some glitter headers, some headers with like to do. You got some boxes, some checklists. So that is all that I ordered from this shop, and it will be linked below, along with this beauty. And I love this little girl. Isn't she so cute? And her code is Sally20. It also comes with this die cut freebie. This die cut freebie, which says "Social distancing sucks." I thought that was very, very right on times. I got this freebie, this one, and this one. So my order came with a lot of good freebies. Then I ordered these yearly months scripts, and I believe it's like the hollow foil, but there is something else to it. It's not normal hollow foil, if you can tell. So I thought that was very pretty. I also ordered these scripts. I like her cursive writing. And then I ordered something that I had not seen before, but I absolutely love it. It's this washi card, and it is like solid plastic. It says "Washi's Life." I do have some washi on here. I've been using this, like, love this. I'm gonna get me another one. I just think this is awesome. So that's Babel and Design, or sorry. So that's Babel and Thorn, and again, I will link their shop below, and Sally20 will get you a discount. Won a giveaway, and it was from Chrissy, Let's Play with Chrissy on Instagram. She did some giveaways during her live, and guys, she sent me tons upon tons of stuff. So she sent me this marker. It is a blue permanent marker. Erin Conran washi. She sent me this Simply Gilded washi. She sent me some glitter headers with a rose gold foil. She sent me some High Paper Cloud script, daily scripts. A sheet of these icons. It has like the moon and the stars and some galaxy theme ones. She sent me some headers, and I thought these were really cute. I have, let's say, Crap I Have to Do, Oops, brain dump, busy as AF. I just thought those were super cute. She sent me these, and it's from High Paper Clouds. I will link their shop below, and I'll also link her Instagram so you can check it out. She sent me this journaling card from Simply Gilded. Guys, I was super shocked when I got this in the mail. She sent me this sticker sheet from High Paper Clouds. Has some trackers and some big sticky notes. And some glitter headers and boxes. I also got a sheet of these headers, which the foil on this is super pretty. I also got these, which has some flags, some different icons, and that foil. Like, I don't have a whole lot of foil stuff, and I just thought that that was super awesome. She sent me these, which have, like, the different moons during the month. So I thought that was really neat. And I've never thought about getting anything like that, so I was really happily surprised. She also sent me this full kit. It's called Tulips. So here's the full boxes and the different girls you can change out to. Now here's the front page, and look at that foil, guys. How pretty is that? So again, it's called Tulips. It's got like the fairy garden and some different full boxes. This page has your date covers and your washi. Here has some flags, some icons, some different deco, and some different scripts. Here's the page with the check boxes and the check flags. Guys, I cannot get over the foil in these. And here it has some washi strips and some more trackers, the weekend banner. So that was one kit she sent me. But she also sent me another one, and it is called Stay In. So here's the first page. Here's the second page with the date covers and the washi strips. Here's the page with the more boxes and the tracker and the weekend banner. Again, that foil is awesome. Here's the page with the checklists and the check flags. And then she sent me this freebie from the Paradiseplannerco. This was also in there, and it has like different scripts, and it's in the foil, which is awesome. She sent me this page which has some scallop labels, some girls on computers, some work, meeting, some other boxes. I thought this is really cool because I do school online, so I'm going to be using this to mark when I have school. She sent me this page that has the date covers and some washi strips. I have another page of these, which, like I said, I'm going to be using tons of these little girls. I also got a sheet of these boxes with the glitter headers. Well, you guys, that is our haul for this evening. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's tons of stuff. Remember, everything will be linked down below the shops, and if I have a PR code or if there is a PR code that I use, I will put it in the description below. As always, you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.